Hello everybody, in this video we're gonna take a listen to these examples that we discussed in the last video. So the first one, G minor triad over C. Okay, let's take a listen. So we have C as our bass. Okay, we may add the third and flat 7. Okay, so but let's play our G minor triad. Okay, so you have C on your left hand. So it looks like we already have the flat 7 here, so I'm just going to add back the third. So again, you can play the inversions and see how they would sound. So inversion of G minor triad. Very nice. So it's a C ninth sound that we're listening to. So I like the root position best because you have the ninth on top. That's really nice. Alright, second example, we have B flat over C. Okay, so let's take a listen. B flat major. So that's actually a sus sound. We have the F here, the perfect fourth, okay, or the 11th. So in this case, we're probably not gonna play the third. That would cause a really bad clash between these two notes, so we want to avoid that. So usually, it's just a triad, okay, over C, okay, so B flat. Usually what happens is the F resolve to the third C, okay, and if you want to do it diatonically, then you will play B flat C E. So we often have this move here, B flat D E, B flat D F, sorry, and B flat C E. So we can go to altered territory a little bit here as well. So, all right. So this is against C. This is not the ninth. You can actually resolve the D. Not actually resolve, but you're kind of increasing tension. So you can play flat 9 here, and then for your F, resolve that to E. So that's a very common move. Okay. So one more time. B flat D F on my right hand, and then B flat D flat E. Okay, that's a very common move. Alright, so that's example number 2. Okay, so finally we have a G minor 7 over C7 shell, so something very similar to the first example. So in this case, I'm not going to play the third because the F is going to clash with the C note. Alright, so we're not going to do that. See? So the rip position should suffice in this case. Okay, also a very beautiful sound. And similar to the last example, we can actually resolve. That's a beautiful sound. Okay, so that's a very common use case. Okay, one more time. Alright. Cool. So that's the sound examples of these examples. Okay. So I would see you in the next video. Okay.